Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves statistics. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. Emma has 6 paintings, each priced at a certain value. What are the mean, median, and mode of these prices? Well, first we sort these prices in ascending order. We start with the mode because it is the easiest one to find. The mode is the value that appears most often. We see 600 appears twice and the rest just once. So mode equals 600 and we cross out the wrong answers. Now let's find the median. The median is the value in the middle of the list. To find it, we could cross out the values from top and bottom of the list simultaneously and arrive at two values that are in the middle of the list. We take their average, which is 600, and that's our median. So median equals 600. Again, we cross out the wrong answers. Finally, we find the mean, which is actually the average of these numbers. So mean equals the sum of all the numbers divided by 6. We computed using a calculator to get 625, and that's it. We can now find the right answer, which is C. Great. That's a typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT math test that involves mean, median, and mode. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.